As a child, I advocate for my rights because I don't have any other choice.
As a child, I advocate for my rights because it's not just me. Well, mainly I'm advocating for accessibility and to introduce proper accessible washrooms here in Canada called changing places, which would include an adult changing table and a lift. The reason I fight a lot for that is because my sister, she has cerebral palsy, she can't walk, she can't talk, and we kind of realized that she needs these washrooms. When she stopped fitting on the baby changing table, the only option we have is to put my sister on the floor, and she is already immunocompromised from her many disabilities. I'm trying to get into contact with hospitals. There are a lot of hospitals in my area that are being renovated. So we're trying to talk to them because even hospitals don't have these washrooms, and the hospitals are supposed to be there to help people like my sister. And there are thousands of other kids and young adults and adults and seniors in Canada that need these washrooms, which is really important for me, especially now with National Child Day.
When Mother Earth is under attack, what do we do?
Children's rights are connected to every other social issue there is. I focus on climate change because for me, this is like the most urgent issue that we're dealing with right now. I'm part of my local Fridays for Future group, School Strike for Climate Halifax. And I do lots of other climate change work locally and nationally. For the entirety of 2020, I wrote a letter a week to the Prime Minister of Canada about climate change. And that was part of just a campaign of just making sure that people in power don't forget about this crisis, because as a young person who's going to be very affected by this crisis in the future, I can never forget about it. It's always in the back of my mind. Youth voices are clearly not being taken seriously, because if they were, we would have acted on climate change a long time ago. Being seen and heard means that your voice is actually heard. You have to actually hear what the children are saying, and you actually have to act on what the children are saying.
It's not just a me problem, it's a we problem.
Racism, sexism, homophobia, these aren't just adults' issues. These are issues that children also experience, and they experience them differently than adults do.
And that's why I fight, because it's not just me, it's not just my sister. It's thousands, it's millions of people who need these things, who need these rights that are not having them right now.